What if I told you there is a destination where luxury villas, tropical beaches, breathtaking waterfalls, ancient temples, world-class dining, and unforgettable sunsets can all be part of the same journey? That destination is Bali. For years, Bali has been one of the most talked about travel destinations in the world. And unlike many places that struggle to live up to the hype, Bali continues to exceed expectations. Because Bali is more than just an island, it's a lifestyle. Located in Indonesia, Bali attracts millions of travelers every year, from honeymooners and families to digital nomads, adventure seekers, and luxury travelers. What makes Bali different is its ability to offer something for everyone. You can spend the morning exploring lush rice terraces, the afternoon relaxing at a luxury beach club, and the evening watching the sunset over the Indian Ocean. Very few destinations offer that level of variety so effortlessly. In this video, you'll discover exactly why Bali remains one of the world's most desirable destinations and how you can experience the very best this island has to offer. And if you're planning a Bali getaway, stay until the end, because we'll show you how to make your trip smarter, smoother, and far more memorable. The biggest reason Bali attracts millions of visitors every year isn't just its beaches or its scenery, it's the lifestyle. Because Bali offers something many people spend their entire lives searching for: balance. This is a destination where mornings begin with tropical sunshine, peaceful surroundings, and breathtaking views instead of crowded city streets and daily stress. In places like Ubud, Canggu, Seminyak, and Uluwatu, life moves at a different pace. People come here to slow down, reconnect, and enjoy experiences that feel both exciting and meaningful. You can start your day with a floating breakfast overlooking a private pool, spend the afternoon exploring rice terraces or hidden cafes, and finish the evening watching the sunset from a world-class beach club. And that's what makes Bali so unique. It's not just about seeing beautiful places, it's about how those places make you feel. Whether you're looking for relaxation, adventure, wellness, luxury, or inspiration, Bali has a way of making every day feel like a reward. And once you experience that lifestyle for yourself, it's easy to understand why so many travelers keep coming back. When most people think about Bali, the first thing that comes to mind is the beach. And while Bali certainly has beautiful beaches, the real story is much bigger than that. Because every coastline in Bali offers a completely different experience. Some beaches are perfect for relaxing and watching the sunset. Others are famous for surfing, beach clubs, and vibrant nightlife. And then there are hidden coves and nearby islands that feel like they belong on a postcard. Places like Seminyak and Canggu are known for their energy, stylish cafes, and beachfront lifestyle. Uluwatu offers dramatic cliffs, stunning ocean views, and some of the most spectacular sunsets in Southeast Asia. For travelers looking for crystal-clear water and unforgettable scenery, islands like Nusa Penida and Nusa Lembongan provide experiences that are impossible to forget. Imagine spending your morning exploring hidden beaches, your afternoon snorkeling in turquoise waters, and your evening watching the sun disappear into the horizon. This is not a destination where you stay in one place. It's a destination that encourages exploration. And that's exactly why so many travelers leave Bali already planning their next visit. If you only stay on the beaches, you're only seeing half of Bali. Because some of the island's most breathtaking experiences are hidden inland, surrounded by mountains, forests, waterfalls, and landscapes that look almost unreal. One of Bali's most iconic attractions is its rice terraces. Places like Tegalalang have become famous around the world for their stunning green landscapes, creating views that feel more like a painting than reality. But Bali's natural beauty doesn't stop there. Across the island, you'll find waterfalls hidden deep within tropical jungles, offering a completely different side of the destination. Places like Tegenungan, Tibumana and Sekumpul attract travelers looking for adventure, nature and unforgettable scenery. Then there are Bali's volcanic mountains, where sunrise hikes reward visitors with panoramic views stretching across the island. What makes these experiences special is the contrast. One day you're relaxing at a luxury beach club. The next, you're standing beneath a waterfall surrounded by rainforest. That's the magic of Bali. It constantly surprises you, and every new landscape feels completely different from the one before. Beyond the beaches, luxury resorts and stunning landscapes, there is another side of Bali that makes it truly unforgettable. Its culture. Bali is often called the island of the gods, and once you arrive, it's easy to understand why. Religion, tradition and daily life are deeply connected here. Across the island, you'll find beautiful temples, colorful ceremonies and cultural traditions that have been preserved for generations. One of the most iconic landmarks is Tanah, a temple dramatically positioned on a rock formation surrounded by the ocean. At sunset, it becomes one of the most photographed locations in all of Indonesia. Then there's Uluwatu Temple, sitting high above the sea on towering cliffs, offering spectacular views and traditional kekak dance performances that bring Balinese culture to life. But culture in Bali isn't limited to famous landmarks. It's found in local villages, traditional markets, daily offerings, and the genuine warmth of the Balinese people. This is what transforms Bali from a beautiful vacation into a meaningful experience. Because when you understand the culture, you don't just see Bali, you connect with it. One of the biggest reasons Bali remains one of the world's most popular destinations is its ability to deliver extraordinary experiences without requiring an extraordinary budget. This is a place where luxury isn't reserved for a select few. It's part of everyday travel. Across the island, you'll find private pool villas, stunning beachfront resorts, world-class spas, rooftop dining experiences, and wellness retreats that rival some of the best destinations on Earth. And the best part is that many of these experiences are far more accessible than travelers expect. Imagine waking up in your own private villa, spending the afternoon at a luxury beach club overlooking the ocean, enjoying a traditional Balinese spa treatment, and ending the evening with dinner under the stars. In many destinations, experiences like these come with premium price tags. In Bali, they often feel surprisingly attainable. But the real value isn't simply about saving money. It's about the quality of the experience. More comfort, more relaxation, more unforgettable moments. That's why Bali continues to attract honeymooners, families, wellness travelers, and luxury seekers from around the world. Because few destinations make luxury feel this effortless. By now, you've seen why Bali continues to attract travelers from every corner of the world. From stunning beaches and luxury villas to breathtaking waterfalls, ancient temples, vibrant culture, and unforgettable sunsets, Bali offers far more than a typical tropical vacation. And that's exactly what makes it special. Bali isn't built around a single attraction. It's built around experiences. The challenge isn't deciding whether Bali is worth visiting. The challenge is planning the right trip, choosing the right area to stay, the right hotels, the right activities, and the right amount of time can make the difference between an ordinary vacation and an unforgettable journey. That's where we can help. Our team specializes in creating customized Bali travel experiences based on your budget, interests, and travel style. Whether you're planning a honeymoon, family holiday, luxury escape, wellness retreat, adventure tour, or group trip, we'll help you build an itinerary that maximizes every moment. So if you're ready to experience the very best of Bali, contact us today through WhatsApp or visit the link in the description. Let's turn your travel plans into reality. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel because we'll be sharing more destination guides, travel tips, and insider travel advice to help you travel smarter. We'll see you in the next journey.